He's trampling out the vintage. Hear the green.
We've got him now. We'll get these two first, and we'll get the others.
What others? Wales and the kid are the last ones.
I know. Texas is full of rebels. Lots of work to do down in Texas.
We get Josey Wales and it ends.
Doing right ain't got no end.
We best hurry on, Josey.
They'd catch up to us by the end of the day. Judging by these tracks, there's maybe 40, 50 horses ahead of us. What we've got to do is space some time between them and us.
What are we gonna do?
Stay right here.
Glory. Welcome. Welcome, gentlemen. Howdy. Yeah, full, have you all?
He's still there.
Still there? What in the hell does he think he's doing?
Don't know. Some of you men get down there, prepare to fire.
Captain Redlegs, I advise you to turn back. You can catch him later.
Turn back. Are you crazy? He's gonna try to pick us off one by one. He'll never do it. At best, he'll get 2 or 3 up front there.
I advise you to turn back, Captain.
They're coming.
Do you really think you can shoot all those men down before they shoot you? Oh, no, no, Mr. Josey Wales. There is such a thing in this country called justice.
Well, Mr. Carpetbagger, we got something in this territory called the Missouri Boat Ride.
God almighty!
Is it bad, Josey?
It's bad. Don't look at it, boy. Just make it get feelings in it.
If and I don't make it, Josey, I want you to know I'm prouder than a game rooster to rid with ye.
You are a game rooster, boy. Shut up.
He can make it without me, Josey.
Here. Take a little drink of this.
This here linsey woolsey shirt I got that all you boys wore. We didn't have no ma. So Pa did all the fancy needlework for me. Told me not to tell no one. Imagine a grown man doing that for his own kid. Sang a little song while he sewed it. You know Rose of Alabama, Josey? river rolled, the cricket sang, the lightning buggy flashed his wing, and like a rope my arms I fling round Rose of Alabama. Oh, brown Rosie, Rose of Alabama, a sweet tobacco posy is the Rose of Alabama.
Now, you just do that, cousin. You bring that old pistol right out. You got him, Lodge.
It's him, Abe. It's him. We got the Josey Wales, Abe. I seen him ride side by side with Bloody Bill, Abe. We got reward money coming. Watch it, Abe. He's meaner than a rattler and twice as fast with them pistols.
You're a bush hog, ain't you, Mr. Josey Wales? I'll tell you what. Move on back. Move on back.
Watch him, Abe. I seen him do some things.
Shut up, Lodge. Now, Mr. Josey Wales, just as soon shoot you now. Except it'll be harder to drag your body through the brush to where we can get our pound price for you.
Shoot him now, Abe. Shoot him now.
Shut up, Lodge. Now move your left hand down and unbuckle that pistol belt. Make it nice and slow, so I can count the hairs on that hand. See, Lige? You pull his teeth, he's harmless as a heel hound. Always wanted to face out one of these big pistol fighters they raise all the fuss about. All the way you handle them.
Hey, watch out. Probably got another pistol in
Get
there.
up, Lige. They call Benny back there on a horse.
Benny! Come up! We got us the Josey Wales!
Oh, brown Rosie, the Rose of Alabama.
Who is that?
Sweet tobacco posy
Just a boy,
is
he's
the
confused.
Rose of Alabama.
Tell him to shut up.
Sweet tobacco posy is... Pa? Is that ye, Pa?
It ain't your paw. Now shut up!
Pa, I got the gold right here, Pa.
What gold's he talking about?
There's no gold. He's crazy.
The gold me and Josey robbed from the bank, Pa.
Lige, take a look under that there blanket.
I got it right here. Thought you could use some help.
You get those holes a-leaking, I'm gonna whomp you with a knotted plow line.
They ain't honest. I feel as pert as a rotten buck.
Good. 'Cause I ain't hauling you all over hell's creation, dribbling blood over half of Missouri.
Wish we have time to bury them, fellas.
Hell with them fellas. Buzzards gotta eat, same as worms.